Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can easily change battle HUD position settings in Tekken 8. So first we head into options right at the bottom, then we go down until we see screen settings, then click it, and we see it at the top, battle HUD position settings, we click it, and now if you want to change the top, then click on confirm. And here you can control it by our directional pad, going up or down. And if you're done setting it up, simply click confirm. Then you can also change it here, and simply click confirm and just back. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.